US trade adviser don blast India say di way dem dey depend on Russian crude oil dey opportunistic and e dey scatter world effort to cut Putin war money. India be second biggest buyer after China and more than 30% of dia fuel dey come from Moscow. Earlier dis month, President Donald Trump don slam 50% tariffs on Indian goods because of di matter wey don make US-India relation bend small. But for Independence Day speech, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stand gidigba say e no go allow any policy wey go spoil farmers side. According to am, India no go ever compromise when e reach to protect farmers. Donald Trump don tok say Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky fit end di war with Russia immediately if e gree. Trump drop di tok for im Truth Social on Sunday, remind pipo say di wahala start since Obama time wey Russia carry Crimea without gunshot